Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video on weekly analysis I'm going to be talking about GBPUSD. This is the weekly time frame chart, and I'm seeing the market to still continue that bullish movement. As we can see, I had this monthly structure here ever since, and price has been doing its own things around that particular structure. So what I'm currently seeing on this is that market has made some kind of highs and lows here, and which is the main focus for me on this weekly time frame. You can see we have this high here, we have this low here, we have this low here, we have this high here. So this market create this high, create the low, this high, then this low, then started the consolidation movement. You can see there's no definite, because this high here and this low here are still intact. Nothing has come to them, maybe to mitigate them or to test and respect them. So that tells me that the market's moving within this area here can fall into any direction, but I'm seeing it to go more bullish. But can still fall in any direction, but I'm seeing it to go more bullish because we are on the monthly market structure, as we can see from this chart here. So what am I looking at for the coming week, and what have we seen in the past few weeks from this market? Let me just try to analyze this from this time frame, then I'll move down in time with the time frame to show the clearer picture of what has really happened and what we'll be looking at in the coming weeks. So the first thing is this: I have this high here, which is the high of the week, weekly high rather, which is the weekly high here. You can see I have this high here, which is what I'm really looking after. I'm looking at price to get to that area there, then I will know what to do with that. So I have the weekly high there, and I have the weekly low here, which is the main swing, because I focus on the main swing when it comes to higher time frame, because you'll be able to know the direction the market is heading to and where it's coming from. You can see we had this movement from this, as I said earlier on. We have this massive impulse like this, we had the pullback, then price started moving up again. That tells you the next place we are looking at price to get to is this high here, either taking it out or respecting it. So that's the major thing that I'm looking out for on this time frame. This is the thing that I need on this time frame. But again, before this whole movement, before seeing any of these, what happened in the previous time, we had this level that was taken out, and that was a break of structure. As you can see, that was a break of structure from that area there, and the only place I'll be looking at market to respect and started selling again is this area here. You can see how price respected that area, then started dropping from that region again. We had this tested there, dropped to some extent, then we have the buy again moving up into this area. So that's one thing that has happened in the past on the weekly time frame. So what are we looking at again now? We are seeing price moving up, so we are expecting price to take out this high here or this low here, because you can see we had this movement, and that is why we have this level here to be a market structure we are expecting price to take out, and price did exactly what we are expecting. Though this movement here was initiated by this demand area here too. As you can see, after price took out this area here, you can see that's a break of structure also. You can see, and we have this demand area here, and that is a very massive level for price to, and price reacted exactly, then started moving up. These are the things that have happened in the past on the weekly time frame on GBPUSD. So since we know what happened, so what are we expecting? Price is moving already. There's no level that we're seeing. Okay, there's no any clear level that we're taking out again after these two supply and demand area. So the only thing that was going to define this new movement is to see price take out. Okay, we can say if price should take out this level here too, we can say, okay, let's just see if price can just pull back into, maybe we have something of this form, then we have the price pulling back into this area, then starts going up again, probably somewhere like this. You can see, then we have it moving up again. We never can tell, but this is what I'm really seeing on GBPUSD on the weekly analysis. Now let me go down to the daily time frame to see more clearer picture. We've seen the bigger picture. We've seen where the market is going. Okay, let me highlight that high, that weekly high from here to weekly. This high here. The reason why I want to pay attention to this high is this. I really want to pay attention to this high for a reason. Let me show you the reason why I want to pay attention to this high. Look at how the market moved from this area here. Price moved like this with this impulse movement. Then we have the retracement. Then we have this push again. There's high tendency this push is going to break this level, then pull back again and continue that movement. So that's one thing that I'm really expecting right now. So let's see what the market is going to do on this weekly time frame. This is going to be a very it's going to take time before this manifests. So let's go down to the daily time frame to see what we can deal with for the day, for the week. What I just showed now is it can take months before it's manifest, but let's go down to where we have our where we are very close to, maybe to see something to happen for the following weeks, maybe like next week or 2 weeks to come. As we can see from this daily time frame, after showing what we have on the weekly time frame, now on the daily time frame is what I really want to give more details to, because that is where I will always try to look for my daily opportunity in the market before I know what to do for the day. Now we have this market dropping from this area here, and we have this high here, which is the extreme high for GBPUSD. You can see this extreme high for GBPUSD, but that high has been mitigated by this price. You can see this is a daily order block there. You can see price has mitigated that level, and price started dropping from that region. So price dropped from that area because of this level they were taking out. Let me show that. You can see we have this level being taken out, then price reacted to this extreme order block here, and that was what caused this crash of price from this area into this level we have it right now. Price took out this area, price took out this level here, and I'm expecting price to come back to this area down here before going up. But look at what the market did. Price failed to come down to this level. I used my fib retracement level to know where the market is going to turn around, and that was what really happened. You can see price turn around at my 50.618 level on this daily time frame. You can see. So that was what really happened there. Price turn around on my fib retracement level. That was my fib golden zone there. Price turn around, and if you look far left, you can see that level there is a strong level price has been reacting to. As you can see, price has made it to be a support in the past, broken, tested. You can see broken, retested again. You can see there has been a very strong level in the past. You can see tested it again, then drop, now came back, price came back to it and retest it again, started going up. I confirmed that level to be a strong level with the help of the market structure. After price got to this area here, we had it pulling up. So the next thing I'll be looking out for is this. Very clear. I want to see the market as in the buy continuation. I want to see the buy continuation until price gets to this extreme POI of 4 hour here. You can see I want to see markets buying into this area. That's first thing to do. Then I'll be looking for price to crash from that region. That's one thing I want to see. I want to see price crashing from that area to the downside. So that's what I want to see on this GBPUSD. After price has already made it to this area here, then give me the change of character. I can see very clearly that we had a change of character from this region here. You can see we had the drop. You can see break. So these are just like the levels that the price mitigated. We have these levels here being taken out by the market. Then we have it changing the direction after price got to this area here. It's totally exhausted, and we have it changing the momentum to the what, to the upside. And this move here gave us the change of character to the upside. You can see you have the change of character from there. Then the market gave break of structure at this. So the change of character that we had here was a very good one, because that was what really caused all these impulse. You can see how strong this market moved from this area here after price respected the POI from this H4. So that's the point of interest, or you can just call it, let me just call it H4 order block, so that I won't get things mixed up, muddled up. So we have that, and going back to the 15-minute time frame is where the whole entries of the things now happens, because we try to streamline the whole movement from the bigger time frame. We have to just break it down for you to know what to do on the smaller time frame, and that was what I just did right now. After price respected this level here, price jumped up. So the jump of price from that area tells you the market is going to go way bullish. You can see price gave this break here, we had this break here too, then we had this break here also. So these are the levels that we're taking out after this movement here. We had this level. So from this area here, this level here was mitigated. You can see price came in and started going up. Then from this break here, we had this old level down here to be where we are expecting price to mitigate, and price did exactly, and price started going up. So that's one thing about this movement here. So by Monday, what are we expecting by Monday on GBPUSD is for price to buy into this area first. Then I'll be looking at price reaction at this area. If I should have a 4-hour candlestick moved into this area, then close below it, close away from it, that tells me this market will want to crash from that area. So then I will know where to, to look out for to be the end of this fall from this area. That is what I'm really seeing on GBPUSD right now for the week. For this coming week, selling. If price should respect, if this level here should hold price, then we'll be selling off from that region into anywhere the market leads us to. But for now, that's what I'm looking out for next week to be sell. But if this level is taken out, then the buys want to continue. If this level here is taken out, then the buys want to continue until we have this weekly high here being taken out, and then we'll be looking for price to pull back, and then we continue the movement from that area there. So that's what I've been seeing on this GBPUSD